My name is Dr. Mansi and I recently completed the Basal Implant online course conducted by Dr. Girdip Gauba. Although it was online, the course included hands-on training on the bone replica model that was sent to us by Bonenkar system. And that was immensely helpful for me as a beginner in the basal implant practice. Dr. Gaba's cooperative nature and willingness to address every query with so much of clarity and patience made the learning process very enjoyable, and it was at all not difficult talking to him, to a person such a well-learned and knowledgeable in his field. So, I must say that it is a highly recommended course. One should go for it anytime. It's a yes, yes. Also, I would like to include, or I would like to say, that I am eagerly waiting for the prosthetic part of the course to come online so that I could just run and grab the opportunity to, learn under the sir's guidance again and be pro with my skills. Thank you.